Now the next beta, we are having combination of pulleys. Just see this figure carefully. Here what we are having? We are having 4 pulleys and 4 different strings we are using. See, one stringing attached from this, another string, another string. Total 3 strings are there. I told you tension will be same if one sing for single string. Either you are having number of pulleys there. But in this case, now what we are having? We are having tension in the string. Different strings are there. So that's why for the first string we are having tension T1. For second string T2. Third string T3. And this string is moving to this fixed pulley. So this T3 will be remain same. This is what the combination of the pulleys. Now this is the load here. This load is balanced by this T1 and T1, but this T1 is balanced by this T2 and T2, and this T2 is balanced by this T3 and T3. Okay, now how we will do this? First of all, if we are talking about effort, see, effort is equal to what? T3. So I have written here effort is equal to T3. Now if we are talking about this load, L is equal to what? 2T1. L is equal to 2T1. Okay, and this T1 is equal to 2T2. 2T2 is equal to this T1, and this T2 is equal to this 2T3. T2 is equal to 2T3. Now when we solve it, bacha, see what I have done. I just put the value of T1 in this, that is equal to L by 2. Okay, so 2T2 is coming L by 2. So it means your T2 is coming L upon 2 into 2. सिर्फ इसमें values put की हैं. That's coming out to be this. Now you get the value of T2. From here we can find out the value of T3. It's coming out to be 2 cube. अब हमारे यहाँ पे movable pulleys कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3. ठीक हो गया? So what here we are getting? That load is equal to 2 raised to the power cube. 3 pulleys, third power. So mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. Effort is what? T3. Mechanical advantage T3 is there. Load is coming out to be 2 cube T3. Put down the values. So we are getting 2 cube. 3 movable pulleys. So 2 cube power 3. So from this we are having, if we are having n movable pulleys, the mechanical advantage is 2 raised to power n. But in this case what we are having? We are having different strings. For different strings we are having what? Different tensions. That is a combination of pulleys. Now what will be the velocity ratio in this case? Same concept will be there beta. इसे खींचेंगे, पुलिंग दिस डाउनवर्ड्स, ये मूव करेगा, ये भी अपवर्ड मूव करेगा, ये भी अपवर्ड मूव करेगा, ये भी अपवर्ड मूव करेगा. ठीक हो गया? तीनों पुलिस अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में हमें क्या करेंगे? मूव करेंगे. सो व्हाट विल बी द वेलोसिटी रेशियो? सी, आई हैव ऑल्सो रिटन हियर, वन एंड ऑफ ईच स्ट्रिंग इज फिक्स्ड. So the other end of string moves up twice the distance moved by the axle of the movable pulley. बात समझ आई? What they are saying here, एक साइड पे string fixed है, उस साइड पे कोई movement change नहीं होगा. ठीक हो गया? तो पूरे का पूरा इफेक्ट क्या आएगा? दूसरी साइड ऑफ स्ट्रिंग पे आएगा. So the string connected to the axle of the pulley B move up by how much distance? 2x. The string connected to the axle of the pulley C, how much distance it will move? Again twice it will move. So that is 2 into 2x. So when we find out that D is coming out to be 2 cube x, so the velocity ratio coming out to be 2 cube. But the simple thing is there, one end of the string is fixed. One end of the string is fixed. So that's why the whole of the movement will be only towards the another end of the string. So that's what we are having here. The velocity ratio is also coming out to be 2 cube. There are n movable pulleys connected to a fixed pulley. V is equal to 2n. Just read it thoroughly from a book. If you are having any doubt regarding velocity ratio, to visualize this thing, you can ask it again. Okay. Now the next what we are having, block and tackle system. Block and tackle system is basically that you are having police, one set of police and another set of police. One set of police and another set of police मतलब मेरे पास 4 पुलिस हैं. सपोज 2 पुलिस हैं वो फिक्स्ड के साथ अटैच्ड हैं. फिर नीचे वाले जो पुलिस है वो लोड्स के साथ अटैच हैं. और सारे पुलिस का कॉम्बिनेशन स्ट्रिंग के साथ है. आई होप यू कैन सी दिस. देखो, there are what 3 pulleys. This is a fixed rigid support. These pulleys are attached with each other. 3 pulleys are there, and there are 2 pulleys, movable pulleys attached what with load. यहाँ पे बेटा एक हुक है, जिस हुक और थ्रेड के साथ ये वाला पुली और ये वाला पुली अटैच्ड हो रहे हैं. This pulleys. Okay. Now how many pulleys we are having? 5 pulleys. This is what a block and tackle system. One block is having several pulleys which are attached to a rigid support. Other blocks have several pulleys which are movable. This arrangement is what a block and tackle system. Number of movable pulleys in lower back is either equal to or less than the number of pulleys of the upper one. इन फिक्स्ड पुलिस से या तो ये पुलिस कम होंगे या ये पुलिस इक्वल होंगे, ज़्यादा कभी नहीं होंगे. ठीक है. सो हेयर व्हाट वी आर हैविंग that one string passing to all the pulleys. अब बात देखो, if a single string is there, then there is only what? Only one single tension. Only one T will be there. No T1, T2, T3 and T4 will be there. ध्यान से देखो अब इस डायग्राम को. See, this is the string, a single string which is rolling like this. ठीक है. यहाँ से फिर थ्रेड हुक के साथ अटैच्ड है. अब क्या हो रहा है देखो, पहली बात हमारे पास पुलिस कितने हैं? 5. अब हम टेंशन काउंट करेंगे. फॉर ई दैट इज इक्वल टू टी, सिंगल टेंशन सपोर्ट. अगर हम इस एल की बात करें, अब इस एल के लिए कितनी टेंशन्स रूल कर रही हैं? T1, T2, T single T, this T. This load is managed by these T's. Now this string is moving. So tension here in this part, tension here in this part, that is moving on the string, and a string is attached here with the hook, so tension is in this part. How many total T's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So L is equal to what? 5T. Mechanical advantage is equal to 5. ऐसे ही हमारे पास another case है. Here we are having 4 pulleys. Here it is more clear how that tension part is. Now here what we are having, equal number of pulleys. This E is balanced by this T. E is equal to T. लोड के लिए हमारे पास कितनी टेंशन है उस लोड को मैनेज करने के लिए? C 1, 2, 3 and 4. So L is equal to 4T. Mechanical advantage coming out to be 4. So if the total number of pulleys n, then what will be the mechanical advantage? That will be n. As the number of pulleys, a single string you are using, so according to that we are having what are mechanical advantage. Now बच्चा, if we are talking about the velocity ratio, इसमें फिर वही बात रहेगी. सिंगल स्ट्रिंग है, this string will move. How much this string will move? If you are moving it to the n distance, how much it is moving? अगर हम n की बात कर रहे हैं, so how much velocity ratio we are having? That will be equal to what? n. उतना ही distance move करेंगे. So as we have done in the case of the movable pulleys, so we are having velocity ratio n. It's always equal to the number of strands of tackle section of string in supporting the load. Fine. So that's why the efficiency what we are taking always be what? 100%. But I told you that in actual cases no machine is having 100% efficiency. Now the next one we are having, a note is given in your book that pulley is what? It's always what? A force multiplier. So what will be the work done? Work done is force into distance. So that is equal to effort इंटू डिस्टेंस मूव्ड बाय एफर्ट. डिस्टेंस मूव्ड बाय एफर्ट कितना है अगर हम एफर्ट की बात करें, दैट इज ND, एंड लोड इंटू डिस्टेंस मूव्ड बाय लोड कितना है, दैट इज इक्वल टू ND. फ्रॉम दिस मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज फॉर्मूला वी आर हैविंग L इज इक्वल टू NE. अगर इसकी यहाँ पे मैं NE वैल्यू पुट करूँ तो दिस इक्वेशन बिकम इक्वल टू दिस इक्वेशन. So conservation of energy will be there. There is no gain in the energy. Fine. So what the note? This is what a force multiplier, and energy, no energy gain will be there. Next we are having effect of weight of pulley on their mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and efficiency. See बच्चा, now in actual cases there is no pulley which is massless. So effort will remain according to the string that is T. अब पूरा लोड क्या हो जाएगा, the full load will be load plus weight, that is equal to NT. Just put down the values for mechanical advantage. When you put down the values you will get N minus W upon E. But in velocity ratio only the string is moving. We are considering only displacement, so no change in the velocity ratio. That will be remain what, N, and we can reduce the friction by lubricating the things, and we always try to have the movable pulleys which are very much light in weight. So this all about your block and tackle and machines chapter. Only numericals are left that I'll post in your group. Kindly read it and ask your doubts. Thank you.